So, first of all, the simultaneous equation is the equation that is having two set of equations, two or more, like this. Like here, if you see that there are two equations, so it can be three equations, but the main thing is that they share the same variables. For example, if in the first equation it's x, the second equation there should be x, and if in the first equation there is y, so there should be y in the second equation. Did you get my point?
Yeah.
Yeah, so those equations will be named as simultaneous equations. So today we're going to learn about elimination method. So in elimination method, there are two things we do. Else we subtract the equations or we add the equations. For that, we should know that what to do. For example, in this equation, like this one, the example equation. So in this elimination method, first of all, you have to write your equations in this way, like 3x plus 6y equals 33 and 3x plus 4y equals 27. So these are your two equations. Now you have to understand whether you have to add them or either you have to subtract them. How are you going to decide? What do you think? That how are we going to know that either we have to subtract them or we have to add them? How are we going to know? Mm-hmm.
I'm not quite sure, miss.
Okay.
I,
For example,
yeah.
okay, I'm writing it here. These equations are like 3x plus 6y and plus 4y, and here it's 3x. So now you have to find out the value of one variable. So what's the best thing to do is, like, you have to cancel one variable in order to find out the other variable. So first of all, the first thing you notice is which variable has same constants, which are same variables here,
The same variables are x and
same
y.
terms, same terms, which are the same terms in these two equations. Do you understand which term is? Okay,
The
so this 3x is named as termed and 4y is also named as term. Like these two together named as terms. Okay,
okay.
so now you have to tell me these are the two equations. So in which in these two equations, which are the same terms?
The same terms is x and y. Like they both have.
Oh, same terms are 3x and 3x. These are the same terms. Like
Oh,
in
I thought we were talking about variables. I thought which ones are the same.
no, terms are like two a number as well as a variable. Both are
Yeah.
named as term. So in these two equations, these two terms are same, 3x and 3x. Okay?
Yeah.
So in order to cancel them, we have to subtract or we have to add. What we should do? In order to cancel 3x and 3x, when we subtract, what will be the answer? 3x minus 3x, what will be the answer? It will be 0, right?
Yes. Z minus 3x equals 0.
Yeah. So it means from this thing we come to know that we have to subtract these two equations, because when we subtract we can make one variable as 0, and in this way we will be able to find out the value of the other variable. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna solve other questions as well, so it will be easy for you to understand. So when we subtract, the answer we're gonna get is 0. And here you have to subtract again. 6 minus 4 will be equals to 2y. It's going to be plus 2y. What's the answer for 33 minus 27? Okay, so 33 minus 27 equals to 6. Now you have to apply the inverse operation, which means that 2 is in multiplication on the left side, so when it comes to the right side, it will come in the division. So 6 divided by 2 will be equals to 3. So the value for y is 3. So next step you're going to do is substitution. So you have to put the value of y in any of the equations. For example, if we take equation number 1, which is 3x plus 6y equals to 33. So here 6y. So there you're going to put 3 except y. So the equation will become 3x plus 18 equals to 33. So now you have to find out the value of x. So you have to bring plus 18 to the right side and it will become minus 18. So 3x will be equals to 15 and x will be equals to 15 divided by 3. And the final answer gonna be equals to 5. So x equals to 5. Okay, now we are doing another equation, which is 2x plus 4y equals 22 and 2x plus 2y equals to 14. So as I already told you that in elimination method you should know about two things. One thing is you should know about the subtraction or addition. Either you have to subtract or add, and the second one is you have to do substitution. So in this equation, first of all, in these two equations, first of all you have to know that which terms are similar in these two equations. So here we're going to understand that 2x and 2x are similar terms. So in order to eliminate these terms, we already know, like, the concept is like by subtraction we can eliminate them. So when we subtract 2x minus 2x, it's going to be equals to 0, and 4y minus 2y will be equals to 2y, and 22 minus 14 will be equals to 8. And by doing the inverse operation of multiplication, we will bring 2 to the right side of the equation, and then it will become 8 divided by 2. And the answer for y will be equals to 4. Now we are done with the first step, which is subtraction. And by subtraction, you got the value of one variable, which is y. Now we have to find out the value of the second variable, which is x. For that, you have to do the substitution. And for substitution, you can choose any of the equations. Like it can be either first equation or either can be the second equation. For example, I'm taking the first equation, which is 2x plus 4y equals 22. So now except y, you're gonna write 4. So 2x plus 4 into 4 will be equals to 22. Now you have to do the multiplication, simple multiplication. 4 times 4 will be equals to 16. And then 2x plus 16 will be equals to 22. Now you know that you have to find out the value for x. The simple thing you're going to do is you have to bring this 16 to the right side, and when it will go to the right side, it will become minus 16. And 22 minus 16 will be equals to 6. And finally, you're again going to do the inverse operation for multiplication. For that, you have to bring 2 on the right side and come in the division. And the final answer going to be equals to 6 divided by 3. And the answer is x equals 3. So now of these two equations, we have found out the value for y and x. Let's check either our answer is correct or not. We can put these values and then we can check either the equation is balanced or not. There's going to be like 2x plus 4y, we are checking now, will be equals to 22. So in order to check it, you just have to put the values for variables. So it's going to be equals to 3 plus 4 into the value for y is also 4, and it's equals to 22. So it's going to be equals to 6 plus 16. And 6 plus 16, if you add them, the answer for this is 22. It means our answer is correct because it's satisfying the equation. So that's how we do simultaneous equations by elimination method. Now it's your turn to do this question.